Hey everyone, I'm Michelle Park. I've been invited here by MOWI to check out the Boston Seafood Expo North America. Some of the biggest seafood companies in the world are here, and today we're gonna go check it out. Come with me. It is the biggest seafood expo in America. This trade show brings together industry leaders, innovators, seafood lovers from all over the world, and this year, MOWI has something huge to celebrate. It's their 5th anniversary in the US seafood market. So we're here at the MOWI booth. This is a Norwegian producer of salmon and other finfish options. For those of you who don't know, MOWI is the global leader in high-quality, sustainably farmed salmon, and they are celebrating a big milestone this year. So it has been 5 years since MOWI entered the market. They launched in 2020 on Amazon Fresh, but now you can find them everywhere. Sam's Club, Target, Schnucks, a bunch of other retailers. And there's one more other huge thing that's happened. They are an innovator in Salmon TV, MOWI Salmon TV. They've got 300,000 subscribers now, but they did win the prestigious Silver Award, which I'm wobbling because how cool is this thing? Here we go. So make sure that if you have not subscribed yet, you go subscribe. You're gonna find recipes, you're gonna find salmon education. I mean, everyone needs a good weeknight recipe. Go check out Salmon TV. Now, other than celebrating 5 years, they're also celebrating 2 consecutive years of earning the Good Housekeeping seal. You can see right here, it says quality tested. It means that it's been vetted for quality, and for 2 years, they've shown excellence in their salmon. Now, this is the MOWI Discovery Wall. It shows you the 7 origins where their salmon comes from. We've got Icelandic, Scottish, Faroese, Norwegian, Chilean, Canadian, Irish, whatever your favorite kind of salmon, you can find it with MOWI. And now it's time for my favorite part of the day. We get to go do a live tasting with Chef Duran. All right, now it's the best time of the day. We are going to try the newest addition at MOWI, the Fjord Burger, and also the Duck Trap Lightly Smoked. There's already a line forming, but we get to cut the line. Come with me. All right, Chef, what do we have?
Okay, this salmon burger, the Fjord Salmon Burger by MOWI, and the winner, whoever takes the biggest bites, gets to eat more salmon. I don't know. All right, big bite here, guys.
I'm gonna let him win.
We're all winners with this salmon.
Cheers. What an awesome day here at the Boston Seafood Expo. We got to celebrate the 5th anniversary, taste some delicious fresh salmon with Chef Duran, and I just had the best time. Make sure you're following us, mowisalmon.us. Thanks, SENA 2025. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you next time.